Strong verb drill, present form. Come, run, drink, swim, sing, sink, ring, begin, do, go, draw, withdraw, throw, grow, blow, fly, know, bear, tear, wear. Swear, see, sow, slay, choose, chide, speak, rise, arise, wake, awake, break, forget, freeze, write, take, mistake, strive, eat. Give, forgive, fall, bid, forbid, drive, ride, steal, stink, hide, shake, bite, beat, lie, shrink, weave, am, is, are, be. Stand, understand, meet, sit, send, bend, land, hang, find, tell, sell, get, bind, buy, bring, cling, catch, fight, think, teach, shoot, lose, win, shine, make, say,
lay,
pay, repay, breed, bleed, sleep, creep, hear, learn, leap, burn, seek, feed, flee, hold, lead, weep, spend, feel, keep, live, spoil, build, rebuild, deal, dream, light, mean, spell, kneel, spit, smell, dig, stick, strike, dwell, overcome, have or has. Beget, cut, put, cast, cost, bet, set, hit, heart, let, shut, bust, shed, read, spread, quit, broadcast,